Ken, one more project before you go home.
We have about 4 hours to get it done.
Rex has completed our roof for our dock.
It's a beautiful roof. He did a great job.
It's a beautiful roof. A few boards left that he's got to do on top, but that's because we have to lift it. But it's not where it's supposed to be. It's on my trailer, because that's where he built it. Got a little video of bringing it over here once, and then we decided to go ahead and deck it while we were there, so I hauled it right back over to him. Today, we're gonna put it on top of the dock, which is right behind the camera. Let's get started.
So I don't know if you can see, but Rex left a few boards out here in the top and rigged these 4 lifting straps or slings up here. So we're going to use a big shackle. Get this chain around the connecting link on the bucket. We're going to lift off the blade of the bucket to give us a little bit more height and a little bit more fine control over just the boom.
Don't throw Ken off.
Yeah, no. Okay. So you're past center, so it might come your way a little bit. Yeah. Go for it. See what happens.
Hey, let's see what happens to Ken if I just pick him up. Okay, obviously you will have to get off. There will be a balance issue if you don't.
So it might turn just a little bit more. Okay. It shouldn't turn anymore. So you're about 6 inches off level. You're pretty good right there.
That looks good. Ken, can you drive the truck out?
I can. This will just let me have control of it if it starts to swing without being close to it.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, you're definitely low on this side. So I don't know how we're gonna get more height out of that, but.
I think I'm high enough. I've got good control of it because the thumb's holding it.
You have good control of it. I'm not sure you're high enough yet, but okay.
Well, I can back up because I got such good control of it.
So right there, you're gonna hit stop. Okay, so now you gotta get more height or back up. Okay, you'll clear now, I believe.
Tell me if I'm gonna hit right there. You're watching right at it. So that's the low spot, Ken. Am I gonna hit?
You're still clear.
How about north and south? How am I looking?
You're good. Keep coming forward. Okay, let me see if this bird's mouth over here is
Do you
clear.
want me to turn a little bit?
Nope.
Do I need to go up a little or
Nope,
something?
just forwards. It's just dragging on the side of the bird's mouth.
Okay.
So just keep going forwards.
I feel like I got a little stress.
Yeah, it.
All right, you're gonna have to turn. It bounced up over top, so
Yeah.
Can I raise up a little bit?
you can. Turn left. Rotate left, please. There you go. Thank you.
I hit something.
That's
I can lift if I need to.
You're touching this side. You're just starting to touch that side. So lift just a hair. Okay, stop. Forwards. Traverse forwards. Okay.
Hitting again.
Okay, stop. Okay, this one's almost lined up. The first side one is almost lined up. They're close.
Yeah. Yeah.
Close.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He can't lift it up flat over here, so he's gonna have to just start easing it down.
Okay.
So my plan is to just work them down a little bit at a time. Work these rafters down.
Gotcha.
A little bit more. A little bit more. All right, hold that. Let me see on the other side. I'm on forward, traverse forwards just a hair. Okay, stop. Whoa, okay, that started. Hold on. You're twisting the whole thing, so
Yeah.
that's not good. Okay. Okay, stop. You've got 3 started here. On 2. 3. That one will go there in a second. That one will go.
Okay, ready to come down?
Very easy, Tim. Okay, that's good. Hold that right there.
Okay, unfortunately,
You're okay. So the rest we're gonna have to work in. Okay.
man, this is close.
It's very close. All we gotta do is work it in with a bar, Tim.
I wish I could put a little down pressure on that. I think it would go.
I almost feel like it's gonna fall in a second. You know, if we just shook it around, I almost feel like it's gonna just. Are you completely slack on the strap?
As slack
now?
as I can be, I'm touching the thumb, see?
Okay.
So I have to unhook.
So get up there and unhook. Okay. Good. Hold that. Okay, you're clear, Tim.
That actually worked. The only thing that's not down now is
That corner.
that corner.
There it goes.
Hey!
Donuts.
It's cheeseburgers, man.
Cheeseburgers.
You visited here, you had enough cheeseburgers while you're here to get the job done.
Cheeseburgers and ribeye sandwiches at the equipment show.
Yeah.
Are they all in?
They're all in. Yeah, Rex told me he thought some of them were going to be too high, and they are. I got you in a good position.
You do.
It's time
You
to
do.
negotiate.
I can get down. I'm pretty
So
agile.
you're telling me my negotiation position is not as strong
I'm
as I
pretty
thought it was.
agile. Yeah, so if we get the double hurricane straps, it'll hide a lot of that. And what I mean by that is they're U-shaped. They're U-shaped and they have a flange down. So you have three screws down. Yeah. And you don't need your long screws. Your corners worked out perfectly. Everything is, except for the
Rex.
bird's mouse, everything is.
Rex, you did a fabulous job. I think it's going to be nice, don't you, Ken?
Oh, when that tin goes on, it's gonna be gorgeous. All right, a little higher. All right, that's good.
Neighbor Rex did a great job of assembling all of this. We went from a set of plans that we found online, and it turns out that where they had the bird mouth settings just wasn't quite perfect. Only the 4 corners are the bird's mouth hitting. All the rest of them have a gap of about, I'm gonna say 1/4 inch, maybe 1/2 inch, maybe even a little more. So what we're gonna do here is just use a multi-tool. Yeah, I have a corded version. Ken hasn't really even been complaining about that.
It's the Rockwell brand too.
Oh, okay, so it's a good brand.
No.
Oh, it's a junk brand? Ken's been here for 10 days. I have yet to have a tool that's been satisfying to him.
The DeWalt drill was nice.
He doesn't like my Milwaukee tools. He thinks it's got to be DeWalt. Oh well. This would be a tough job to do with a tractor loader. We're able to use the forks to pick this up, and you have such minute control with a true forklift. It's hard to have that kind of detail work with a tractor and forks. I absolutely love having forks on my tractor loader, but obviously if you get to where you're using forks just an enormous amount, a forklift is better. Ken, you need a forklift.
I do need a forklift.
So Ken's gonna put this hurricane strap on here to hold the roof down. There's probably other ways to do this, but this is the approved way. Now we could put those on the inside. We talked about that. That would hide this little gap we talked about, but they would be ugly in there all the time for me to see. When we're on the outside here, I won't have to look at them when I'm in here taking a snooze. Of course, I won't be having my eyes open when I'm taking a snooze anyway. That's easy enough.
Yeah, it's just a lot of screws on each one. So, and with this angle, we're using these wide head screws to get good clamping force on the bracket.
Platinum coated, gold plated.
Yeah, rated for pressure treated and yeah, structural and all that good stuff. And each bracket gets like 11 screws if you fill every hole. And I know in our area, the building inspector, they want to see every hole filled. I don't know if I agree with that, but.
Ken, I didn't expect to get this done.
Well, we made a good start anyway.
Yeah, see, you push me, you keep me going. You keep me going.
If we could have got started before 9:30, we might be done.
It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Hey, I have really enjoyed having you around. This has been 10 days this time.
It's been fun. We only argued
2 or 3 times. Yeah. But not too bad, right? I mean, you know, it's the old saying about fish and friends and all
absolutely.
that. But,
we're both strongly opinionated and we like to get our point across. But we make it work in the end. Yeah, it's been great. I've had a great time. We've been to 3 states and untold miles, and it's been a whirlwind. It's been an adventure. It's been great.
Yeah, yeah. I wish your business well, and I really appreciate what you do for the tractor community.
Thank you.
It's very special.
Yeah, and you too. The way you help my business is, you know, I can't even comprehend sometimes, and what you do for the community too, to bring new products and help small businesses out. It's a wonderful thing.
It's a lot of fun. It's a wonderful community. Just wonderful people, and it's a joy.
It is.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim.
A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for a time of adversity.
Today's YouTube demonstration, how not to use a forklift. That's good, Tim. That's plenty. All right, down. Up. Up, don't stand on the end of the 2x4. That's lesson number 3.